So, I am currently in Milan, Italy. Milano, Italia. First impressions of Milan, very hot. I don't know how you say hot in Italian, but I will say caliente in Spanish. Very hot, muy caliente. And then you see people like wearing black jeans, hoodies and stuff in this weather. I'm like, how are you doing that? Hotel is nice. I like the hotel, and it also matches my top and my cabin bag, as my cabin bag and my top are red, so I match the vibe pretty well. So in terms of plans for today, it is currently 3:40. My watch is wrong, it's like 1 hour behind. We decided to explore a little bit of Milan, but tomorrow we will explore. We have the whole day to explore before we take a coach trip to Venice. While I was on the plane, I did try and learn a little bit of Italian, but I can't lie, I did actually give up because it was just so hard. It's a new language compared to Spanish, because I already studied Spanish in school. Italian was a lot harder to learn. However, I did realize that there are a lot of like similar words in Italian, so that is great. So hopefully my Spanish knowledge will help me a little bit. But honestly, I doubt I'll be speaking any Italian to anyone. Honestly, maybe the most I'll say is buongiorno, grazie, come stai, tutto bene. Is that all I know? Wow, is that all I know? No. Oh, see you soon is a presto. Anyway, for now, I'm going to rest and relax on this bed. So, yeah, I'm going. I will see you soon.